High in the hills of northeast India lies Ziro Valley, a secret cradled by Arunachal, Pradesh's misty mountains. Hidden by green hills and quiet clouds, it's not on every map. The valley appears like a bowl of green surrounded by mountains, offering rare peace. Ziro is more than a destination, it's a feeling of wonder beneath a vast sky. This is Ziro's first whisper, a promise of magic for those who listen. Ziro Valley is a living canvas painted in endless shades of green. Pine forests and bamboo groves blanket the hills, alive with the sounds of birds and insects. The heart of the valley is its rice fields, vast emerald carpets where the Apatani people farm rice and fish together. Their ancient system uses bamboo channels to manage water, creating a perfect balance with nature. Walk the narrow banks and you'll see fish darting in clear water, a testament to harmony. Rivers and streams wind through the valley, their banks bright with wildflowers. Morning mist drapes the land, lifting as the sun reveals the valley's beauty. Each season transforms Ziro. Monsoon brings lush green, harvest turns fields golden, and winter dust peaks with snow. But always, green is the soul of this place. The landscape is alive, ever-changing, yet timeless. Here, nature and people thrive together. The valley's beauty is quiet, deep, and enduring. It's a world where life and hope are the same color. Ziro's green is not just a sight, it's a feeling. This is the soul of the hidden valley. The Apatani people are the heart of Ziro Valley, living in harmony with the land for centuries. Their bamboo and wood homes stand on stilts, clustered in close-knit villages. Life centers around the hearth, where families share stories and warmth. The elders' facial tattoos and nose plugs are living links to tradition, each mark telling a story of heritage. The Apatani's greatest achievement is their sustainable rice fish farming. No machines, no chemicals, just deep knowledge of the earth. They enrich the soil with organic waste and manage water with skill, sustaining generations. Their way of life is built on sharing, respect, and community. Walking through their villages, you feel the strength of their bonds. The Apatani show us how to thrive while protecting the world around us. They are true guardians of Ziro's spirit. Life in Ziro Valley moves with the sun and seasons, unhurried, purposeful, and deeply connected to the land. Mornings begin with soft light and the sounds of work and laughter as people head to the fields. Everyone has a role, and community is at the heart of daily life. Festivals like Mayoko and Dri fill the valley with music, dance, and joy, celebrating friendship and harvest. Evenings bring families together around the fire, sharing stories and songs that pass down wisdom and tradition. Music and storytelling are woven into every day, echoing the valley's gentle spirit. The Apatani are skilled artisans. Women weave intricate shawls, men craft with bamboo, turning nature into art. Every object carries the touch of its maker and the spirit of the forest. Their crafts and songs are living testaments to their resourcefulness and connection to nature. In Ziro, life is simple, full, and rich with meaning. Ziro Valley remains hidden for a reason. The journey is long, the roads winding, and the world outside feels far away. Its remoteness has preserved its peace and protected its culture from the rush of modern life. Here you won't find crowds or big hotels, just homestays, warm meals, and stories shared with local families. Travelers come seeking quiet, not entertainment, and find a place where tradition still thrives. Change is coming, but slowly. The valley adapts on its own terms, holding tight to its roots. Close your eyes and imagine Ziro. Cool mountain air, endless green fields, smoke rising from bamboo houses, and the smiles of the Apatani. This is a world where life is simple and deeply connected to the earth. Ziro reminds us what truly matters: peace, community, and respect for nature. Perhaps one day you'll take the hidden path and discover its quiet magic for yourself. Until then, let Ziro's whisper stay with you. a promise of peace in a busy world.